T-Mobile error code 725 typically means your device can't connect to the network due to provisioning or carrier update issues. This error prevents network access, data, calls, and texts. This often happens after device resets, SIM swaps, or interrupted updates. The error indicates a failure in communication between your device, SIM card, and T-Mobile's network. When this happens, you may see messages like Error 725, unable to connect to network. As of October 2025, it's a manageable problem, with T-Mobile releasing a firmware patch version 725.1 to automatically resolve provisioning mismatches. However, errors are most prevalent on Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel devices, as well as iPhones during carrier updates. It is important to know the solutions to this error. There are multiple methods to resolve T-Mobile error code 725 and get your device back online. First, try a simple restart of your device to refresh the system. Toggling airplane mode on and off can refresh network settings. Manually check your APN settings to ensure they are correct and up to date. Make sure your T-Mobile apps are up to date in the App Store. Manually update your carrier settings in your phone's settings, under General, and then About. If the issue persists, contact T-Mobile support for assistance. They may need to refresh your SIM card or push an update. If you are in an area of poor signal, relocate to an area with better reception.